In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can delete or uninstall apps on your Amazon Fire TV or Fire Stick so that you could free up storage space and keep your device running smoothly. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But essentially, go ahead and scroll all the way over to the little settings gear in the far right and go ahead and then scroll down a little bit. And what you're looking for is your application settings on here. Open that up, and then once it does load, you're going to see an option at the very bottom that says Manage Installed Applications. Go ahead and select that. Here you're going to see a list of every single app installed on your Fire TV. Keep in mind that some Amazon system apps can't be fully uninstalled, but essentially just scroll down and find the app that you want to remove. For example, let's just say we want to remove, Netflix right here. You can really pick whatever app you want though. Essentially, go ahead and open up that app and it's going to bring up the app menu itself. From here, just scroll down and you're going to see an option that says uninstall on it. Select uninstall and you'll be good to go. You'll also see on the left hand side how much storage space you're going to free up as well. Hit confirm. After a few seconds, the app will be removed from your device, but that is it. That is, you can uninstall apps on your Fire TV or Fire Stick. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.